her out for a bit. In the Brecon Beacons National Park. The four waterfalls?
Yeah.
The 4 waterfalls. I get it right, so I did say 5 or 7. I can't remember. I'm going that insane, that dementia, all those mad cowburgers finally working their way through the system. So on our way to our first one there. It's a fantastically hot day. The car park here costs £6 for the day. Staffed by volunteers who are very helpful and give you all the information you ever need to know about what to do when you're here. So this, obviously a grand day out, but also it's a training walk for my Camino in a few months' time. And this is my gear I'm going to be wearing. Hat, sunglasses, khaki shirt, little itty bitty rucksack. You don't even need much of a map or anything like that, because they've got all these trails all along the way. Even in timeage. Plenty of spaces to get out of the sun, plenty of spaces to enjoy the sun, lots of sit down sort of stuff. It's very nice indeedy. Always time to take the weight off your feet and take in the surroundings. Early April, as you can see, not everything in bloom. Come a month's time, this will be really dark, full of foliage. Because safety is not a dirty word. Okay, just for information, we parked at the Guam Hepster car park. We went along the red trail. We are going along the red trail. I did this because I've asked, why would you have car parking in the middle of nowhere? But apparently you got, like I said, other car parks. Just for information. Right. Pretty much at.
Yeah. Sorry, Dad. Just red wine, you can follow it around, right? So,
as you can see,
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
we're here, and as you can hear, that's the waterfall. All right. Let's go and see something. Is that there? Sgwd?
yeah.
Excellent. And that's what it should look like. On your way down to the first waterfall, it's a bit rocky. So those with dodgy hips, dodgy legs, a terrible hangover, just be careful. Cool as, eh? What were you saying about that?
So if you want to reach on this left hand side and get close to it, you've got to go back to where that point was, where the crossroads between the 2 parking spots. The one that we came from, don't go to that one, it's the next one along. You have to follow that down, and then there's a bridge. You might not be able to see it on camera, but
Yeah,
there's a bridge down there.
walking.
And basically you follow that road around, and it joins the back of the waterfall if you want to get close to that.
Right.
But you can do it close to the other ones anyways.
Brycheiniog. I hope I've not murdered the language too badly. But we're there. On the great scheme of things, we've sort of started there, gone all the way there, and now we're there. So we're sort of halfway there. Yeah. from crystal clear water to superb waterfalls. It's almost like bridge over the River Kwai. Well, you can use your imagination. There was a scene a bit like this. Here we go. This is, as Ryan called it, the big one. Strenuous and impressive. Anyway, that means we've still got halfway to go on the way back. But hey, all good. And this is the way down. Come on, Ryan, after you. And this, like Ryan said, is the big one, and that is people behind the waterfall. Cool as hunky-dory. Wow, what a spot. You can imagine in the winter time that's full of water as well. The one dead ahead. Really slow. How the hell did that get there? You know what? You could come here really early in the morning on a hot summer's day and just stay here all day long. This is great. So just be warned, it's a lovely waterfall, but it's going to give you a heart attack walking up. It really is going to test you. Test your thighs, test your calves, test your willpower. But it can be done. And it gets the just going out seal of approval. Come and do it. Okay, so we've done all the waterfalls now. It's just a gentle walk back.
It is a gentle walk back.
Gentle walk back. And we're done for the day. Thank you. See you in a minute because we've got some stuff to get through right at the very end. And that is what will be done. Right. I've got a lovely pair. And don't you know it? And you come on down the hill until you see the sign for your parking area, or mine anyway. Not long to go now. How long do you reckon?
20 minutes.
20 minutes walk. Right, let's go. The end and start your journey is from here. And you're greeted by these chaps in the yellow who do a sterling job. Actually sterling. So we've done the journey. About 3 hours, 3.5 hours?
Yeah, just about. Just under.
And we'll work out how long the distance was. You can probably work it out. There's probably a website or something. It's a hard slog at times, I'll give you that. But it's worth it. Yes, it's worth it. Yeah, very, very well run here. Not just some odd footpaths in the woods. You know, it's all gravelled, and for all things I've seen people walking sticks and all manners of ages. So yeah, it's all possible. Now on a superb day as well. All right, for now, that's us done. We need to go and get something cold inside of us and put the air conditioning on and just relax.
Yes.
So it's been a great day for me. Thank you, Ryan.
Very welcome. Thank you for bringing me along.
For being my guide here. You know, he's been here before. Good journey all round. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you for maybe even trying it. So give it a go. Life's too short. Right. If you like, put a like. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. Please. It's all good. Right. For now, that's me signing off. Thanks so much. Bye then.